Welcome. These are 10 tips for beginners in the app Procreate. Color picker is that you grab a color from your drawing. You can do this by holding your finger on the color that you want to have. If you want to do undo, you need to put 2 fingers on the screen. If you want to do this multiple times, you need to hold the 2 fingers. If you want to do redo, you need to do it with 3 fingers. You can do this also multiple times by holding it. If you want to make a perfect line, you need to make a line shape. Hold your Apple Pen on the screen, then it becomes perfect. If you want to make a circle, you need to draw a circle shape, then hold it. Then add your finger to the screen, and then you have a perfect circle. You can do this with a square and triangle as well. You can get your previous color by holding your Apple Pen on your color. You can also click on the color and then you see color history. You can switch opacity and size at this thing. If you want to save a opacity or size, you need to click on the plus. If you want to delete the thing that you saved, you need to click on the line. You can get your size or opacity with this tip very easy. If you want to group some layers, you need to swipe the layer that you want to group to the right, then click on the blue circle, and click then on group. Now you have a group. You can make your own brushes by going to brushes, then click on the plus, and then create brush. There are very much options to change your brush. If you want to merge a few layers into one layer, you'll need to put your finger on the first layer that you want to merge, do your other finger on the last layer that you want to merge, then squeeze the layers together. If you want a reference photo, at the wrench you need to go to Canvas, and then to Reference. You can choose for Photo, and then you have a reference photo. If you want your photo in your canvas, you'll need to go to the wrench, and then choose for Insert Photo, choose your photo, and then are you done? You can rename a layer by clicking on the layer, and then choose for rename. You should do this because with this tip, you can find your layers very easy. Thanks for watching.